Okay, so this is our second test. The first one went really, really well. It was actually a lot quicker than I thought. So I'm very happy about it so far. So we're going to try now just like boxes and stuff like that and see how that goes. So we're going to try this one. And let's see how, I don't think this will work because I don't know if this is going to be, I don't know.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It looks like it could work. If not, okay. Okay. Oh, it works actually perfect. Go here. What we do is take this guy, and we're just going to connect it. Like that. And like that. Okay. And so go. Go. Yeah, and I said the cable holder is going to help out a lot. There we go. And once you're up here, then you're going to move it to the side, like that, and then you just bring it down. Boom! And voila, we're done. We got two big, hefty boxes up here in less than a minute or so. Oh.